making broth. And this is something I've done myself. You can make vegetable broth. You can make bone broth with chicken bones or other bones.
Really, any kind of bone broth you can make. There is in the hunting world, there is deer bone broth. We've watched people make
was it
moose bone broth. Yeah. So if you're not in the,
I think you would, if it was really gamey, you probably wouldn't enjoy that. But you would have to,
if you're already consuming that, you're accustomed to that type of flavor anyway.
Right. So let me explain the process.
Yeah, because this is how do we keep all the scraps together before they don't rot, so we can maximize the usage, and how does this work?
So what a lot of people do, and this is what I've done myself. It's been a while, but I just take a zip top freezer safe bag, and I put my vegetable scraps in there, like onion ends, onion peels, carrot tops, celery leaves.
Is there anything
peels.
that shouldn't?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I mean, unless it's like really potent and it's going to overtake. But if you
or
use
if it's
like
currently rotten.
Yeah, rotten. You don't want that. So then what you do is you simmer the scraps, and you can add again bones to this, or you can do bones separately, whatever you want to do. It does make really good chicken broth, which is what I've
So big pot, a lot of water, put this stuff in there and just let it simmer down for hours or days?
Hours. You could do like a whole day. And then people will can it, or you can freeze it, whatever works for you. If you do freeze it or can it, it's best to do it in like 32 ounces, because you're probably going to use it to make soup. Or if you might want to just have like a little bit that you're going to add to cooking, like stir fry or something, you could do like ice cube trays and put that in there and freeze it, and then take those out and put them in a freezer safe container.
Now, could you do this in a slow cooker, or is this really best utilized over the stove with a lot of heat if need be?
You could do it in a slow cooker. I know people have done it in their Insta cookers as well.
Okay.
You'd have to, your mileage may vary type of thing. If I were to do this in a slow cooker, I would do it on high, not low.